how to grow rain lily. Rain lily flower is a beautiful flower. During the monsoon season, these flowers blossoms. These flowers are grown from the bulb. Wherever you find the rain lily, you can take out any bulb, see, like this, and you can grow in a pot. The soil mix is prepared like this: 40% garden soil, 30% river sand, and 30% vermicompost. So now the soil mix is ready, and here the pot is ready. Make a hole and grow this bulb in this hole. And again we will keep this soil mix. Watering is done, and during the monsoon season these flowers blossom. These flowers need good sunlight. If possible, keep it under the shade, or keep it under the sunlight. And whenever there is rain, if the rain is directly not available, you can store the rain water like this. You can store it and then pour this water in the rain lily plant.